Brothers and sisters, let me ask you guys a question, right? And excuse me for mentioning this example. If one now decided to have a zina, I think I'm going to address something. It's the elephant in the room. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about. And I was asked time and time again, please can you clarify? Wallahi, brothers and sisters, I have clarified it so many times. So anyways, let me just quickly mention that video that's going around. Our uncle here, our brother, sorry Colin, you're still young, right? Our brother, you know, he said there's a video going around of me making a comparison. Wallahi, brothers and sisters, honestly, looking back at that, if I could go back, I wouldn't say that, right? I wouldn't say it. Even some of my teachers said, what were you thinking when you said that? So this video that is going around, my brothers and my sisters, where I bring this very distasteful example, right, is something that I've taken back. I think it was wrong to use that kind of example, right? And we all make mistakes, right? Sometimes in a moment or so, you end up saying something that perhaps wasn't the best choice of words. It was indeed a poor choice of words on my side, right? I shouldn't have said it. And as Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he mentioned, حَدِّثُ النَّاسَ عَلَى قَدْرِ عُقُولِهِمْ. When you speak to the people, speak to them in a way that they can comprehend. None of us, my brothers and my sisters, are what? Ma'sumin. We are human beings. إِنَّكُمْ تُخْطِئُونَ بِاللَّيْلِ وَالنَّهَارِ. You fall into errors day and night. Every son of Adam is what? Someone who doesn't just make a mistake or two, but constantly makes mistakes. So I shouldn't have said it in that way, and we are human beings, we're going to make mistakes. However, my brothers and my sisters, right, as you guys have probably seen, and this PDF goes round and that, sometimes you can just verify this information. People have blown it out of proportion, and they stopped people from wanting to benefit, attending the khair and whatever have you, and made it look like that I hate the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, right? How can I hate my grandfather, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? I'm actually from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's family, Ba'alawi. My lineage goes up to Hussein. How is that even possible? Looking for every way to malign and to discredit an individual, right? We're going to make mistakes. Sometimes you will think back and say, maybe I shouldn't have said it like that, right? Even this issue of tawassul, how they made it look like that I rejected tawassul. I've never rejected tawassul. In fact, even in the podcast that we've done in Cape Town, I spoke about the different types of tawassul that we can extrapolate from the Quran and the Sunnah that is authentic, right? So to say that I outrightly reject, right? Anyways, this is a deep discussion, which I've already discussed, but I just thought, inshallah ta'ala, I'd mention this because I know some are still probably thinking to themselves, how on earth did he came with that example? But it happens, poor choice of words, right? And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us a tawfiq, to give us success in that which is right, always, inshallah ta'ala, right? Any other questions? I'm sure some of you guys wanted to ask that question, right? The laughter says so.